Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to change a profile icon on Netflix. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to change a profile icon on Netflix. Maybe you want to change the icon because with the help of that, you could distinguish between two different profiles, or maybe you want to set any other character of your choice that you really like from a series or movies and you want to set it as your profile icon, or it could be any other reason for you to change the profile icon of Netflix. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Netflix app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store, App Store. And once the app gets installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with that account. After that, just simply tap on the icon of the Netflix to open the app. Once the app gets open, you will see its title, and after that you will see its interface. Here we have two different profiles. Both of the profiles have set their profile icons, but we will see how we can change it. So to change the icon of the profile, we have to go to an option which is in the top right side of the screen, which is an edit option. With the help of that option, we could easily click onto that one, and after that we can easily edit different things regarding the profile, which also includes its icon. So as you can see, we just got a pencil icon on the profile on both of the profiles. So we have to click on these pencil icon. First I will change its icon, after that I will change its icon. So I'm clicking on it, and once I click on it, you can see we get an option through which we can edit our profile. So as this is the icon, it also has a pencil icon with that. So if I tap onto the pencil icon, I will get an option through which I can easily change its icon based on what I like and whatever I want to set as an icon on it. So once the loadings get done, you will see that we will be able to choose any kind of icon of our choice. So at the top we will get some of the icons that are the classic ones, and after that we get the icons based on different series and dramas that people really like. So you can choose any one of these, whatever you prefer. You just have to simply explore, or you just have to find whatever you like, and once you find the most suitable character, or you could say the icon, you just have to simply tap on that picture or icon, and it will be set as the icon of the profile. So here I'll just scroll here and will click onto this one because this series is really famous, so I'm just clicking on it, and right now it has been chosen as the icon of that profile. After that you have to click on this option, done, and that icon will be uploaded here. So now I'll click onto this profile. Again, I have to click on pencil and then again click on this little pencil icon, and once I tapped on it, I will again get a lot of different icons based on the different series and different stuff. So from there you can choose whatever you prefer, whatever you like. Just simply tap on it, and after that you have to click on done option, and it will be set as your profile icon. But here you have to again click on done so that it could get uploaded. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can change the profile icon on Netflix. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.